So our adventure to our pig head is coming to a close. We did the ear cracklings, the eyeball tacos, the snout and sweet taters, the tongue soup, the barbecue cheek, and last but certainly not least, we got the brain. So I got some eggs and some onion here. We're gonna do a simple pork brains and scrambled eggs. But first, we gotta get the brain out of the head. How do you do that? Well, let me show you. If you turn what's left of our head around, you see this little area right here. That's your brain. Da-da-da-da. We got our hammer. We just gotta get into that crevice, nice and easy. So just drive that screwdriver and hammer right through the center. You'll crack that head right in half like that. Be careful. It's not the best way, but it's gonna work. And now here is the brain right to the side. Peel out. There's your brain. Half. So I took a little extra elbow grease, but here you can see your pig brain. Now you're going to take your brain and these eggs and bring it to the stovetop and make scrambled eggs like you would any normal batch of scrambled eggs. The brain's already cooked. You don't have to worry about cooking it first or anything like that. You can throw it right in. I'm simple when it comes to scrambled eggs, so I just got some salt, pepper, and onions, and that's it. And that's all there is to it. So we got our pig brains here with our scrambled eggs, and of course you got to top it with a little bit of hot sauce. Now you just got to dive on in and take a nice bite. You definitely get that strong pork flavor in there. Put it on a piece of toast. Man, that is so good. The pig brain has such a similar consistency to scrambled eggs. When you eat it, texture-wise, you don't even notice it, but you definitely get a big pop of pork taste when you take that bite. So, with that, my friends, we have a big mess of pork head. We ate the ears, the eyes, the tongue, the snout, the cheek, the brain. We had a lot of fun. We tried new things. Sadly, it all must come to an end. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me on this adventure. I will always cherish these memories. So stay tuned for the next video. It's not going to be a pig head. It's not going to be pig brains. Hopefully I didn't scare you away, but we got a lot of good stuff coming. We'll see you then.